Hi everyone! Today, we're going to solve a real-life math problem one step at a time. First, we'll read the problem. Then, write a simple equation. Then, solve it using division. And finally, check our answer together. Ready? Let's go! And here's the problem. The product of 9 and another number is 135. What is the other number? First, I want you to remember that the word product means the result when two numbers are multiplied. And here, x represents the other number we are looking for. So if 9 times some number equals 135, we can write that as an equation 9 times x equals 135. To find x, we will divide both sides of the equation by 9. Next step, 9x divided by 9 equals x. We can cancel 9, or 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times x is x. And 135 divided by 9 is 15. So x is equal to 15. So our equation 9x equals 135. Let's check if x is equal to 15 is correct. To check, we're going to substitute the value of x, which is 15. So we replace x by 15. Okay, so now we have 9 times 15 equals 35. Now 9 times 15 equals 135, and it is equal to 135. Therefore, our answer is correct. X is equal to 15. So that means the other number is 15. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you learned something from me, and thank you for watching.